Did you know castor oil is one of the most powerful natural remedies in the world? Prized for its healing properties across various traditional medicines for centuries, castor oil has been used to treat a wide range of ailments, from soothing skin issues and reducing inflammation to easing constipation. It has become a popular choice for those seeking natural health solutions. If you are interested in this topic type, I am ready in the comment right now. Just comment "I am ready." When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. And if you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and really helps the channel grow. And if you have any experiences and recommendations, I will love to read them in the comments below. The hidden dangers of castor oil. Despite its numerous benefits, castor oil conceals hidden dangers. Misusing it can lead to serious side effects. When applied or consumed incorrectly, it can intensify symptoms or even trigger life-threatening reactions. In this guide, we will reveal the 6 dangerous mistakes to avoid when using castor oil. Before adding it to your beauty routine or natural remedies, learn how to unlock castor oil's full benefits without the hazards. Mistake number 6. Buying castor oil in plastic bottles. A common mistake people make when buying castor oil is choosing plastic bottles. The truth is that plastic can interact with the oil, releasing harmful chemicals such as bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates. These chemicals compromise the oil's quality and effectiveness, potentially exposing you to harmful substances. Protecting castor oil from degradation. External factors like heat and sunlight can cause castor oil to degrade more rapidly. As a result, the oil may lose its valuable nutrients and beneficial properties. The simple solution: use glass bottles. By choosing castor oil packaged in glass bottles, you can ensure a safer and more stable environment for the oil. Glass bottles do not leach harmful chemicals, keeping castor oil pure and potent. They also provide better protection against external factors that could degrade the oil, helping to maintain its quality and efficacy over time. Tips for choosing the right packaging. To ensure you're purchasing castor oil in the right packaging, keep these tips in mind. 1. Dark-colored glass bottles are ideal as they shield the oil from light exposure. 2. If you choose a plastic bottle, ensure it's BPA-free to reduce the risk of chemicals leaching into the oil. If you are going to follow this advice, comment down. Say no to plastic bottles. Mistake number 5. Using inorganic and non-cold-pressed castor oil. When purchasing castor oil, it's essential to pay close attention to its quality and purity. One common mistake people make is opting for inorganic or non-cold-pressed castor oil. This oversight can significantly reduce the oil's effectiveness and even pose risks to your health. Risks of inorganic castor oil. Inorganic castor oils may contain harmful substances like chemicals, pesticides, or additives from farming and manufacturing processes. These unwanted additions can irritate your skin, diminish the oil's benefits, and even lead to long-term health issues. Dangers of non-cold-pressed castor oil. On the other hand, non-cold-pressed castor oils are extracted using heat treatment. This process can compromise the oil's quality and strip away its valuable nutrients, resulting in a less potent product that doesn't deliver the desired outcomes. How to choose the best quality castor oil. To avoid making this mistake and ensure you're purchasing the best quality castor oil, follow these tips. 1. Choose organic castor oil. Organic products are free from harmful chemicals, pesticides, and additives, ensuring a safer and healthier option for you. Plus, you'll be supporting environmentally friendly farming practices. 2. Prioritize cold-pressed castor oil. Cold pressing uses low heat during extraction, preserving the oil's nutrients and beneficial properties. This method results in a more potent and effective product that provides all the incredible benefits castor oil has to offer. 3. Look for certifications. Certifications like USDA Organic or EOSER indicate that the castor oil meets strict quality and purity standards. If you are going to try high-quality castor oil, comment below quality matters. Mistake number 4, taking castor oil in pregnancy. Did you know there are some people who should avoid using castor oil altogether? Pregnant women. Being mindful of what you consume is crucial, and castor oil is no exception. While some may have heard that castor oil can help induce labor, consuming it during pregnancy actually brings more risks than benefits. Risks of consuming castor oil during pregnancy. 1. Premature labor. Ingesting castor oil can trigger premature labor, posing significant health risks for both the mother and baby, especially if it occurs before full term. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Castor oil's strong laxative effects can lead to severe gastrointestinal issues like cramping, discomfort, and diarrhea, which can result in dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, all of which are dangerous for pregnant women. 3. Meconium aspiration. Another potential risk is meconium aspiration, a condition where the baby inhales a mixture of meconium, their first stool, and amniotic fluid. This can cause respiratory problems, infections, or other serious complications for the newborn. The solution: avoid castor oil during pregnancy. The solution is simple. Avoid consuming castor oil orally throughout your pregnancy unless your healthcare provider determines it is safe for you to do so. If you find this advice useful, please comment down. Babies say no castor oil. Mistake number 3, taking certain drugs with castor oil. Did you know that you might be unknowingly risking adverse reactions by combining castor oil with certain medications? One of the most crucial mistakes to avoid when using castor oil is overlooking its potential to interact with drugs. How castor oil can affect medication. 1. Increased absorption. The active compound in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, can enhance the absorption of some medications, increasing the risk of toxicity. 2. Decreased absorption. On the flip side, castor oil can also decrease the absorption of other drugs, making them ineffective. This is especially important for medications used to manage chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. Severe risks of drug interactions. The worst part is that these interactions can be severe and potentially lead to serious conditions such as 1. Hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Combining castor oil with diabetes medications can cause dangerously low blood sugar levels. 2. Hypertension, low blood pressure. Castor oil may interact with hypertension medications, increasing the risk of low blood pressure. 3. Bleeding disorders. Using castor oil with blood thinners can increase the risk of hemorrhaging. 4. Dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Since castor oil is a natural laxative, combining it with other laxatives can heighten the risk of dehydration and imbalances. How to safely use castor oil with medications. To avoid these adverse reactions, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using castor oil in conjunction with other medications. Your provider can guide you on potential interactions and ensure that you're using castor oil safely, taking into account your medication list, medical history, and intended use. Remember, castor oil should only be taken in very small, diluted doses to prevent harmful effects. If you are already on medications and concerned about health, comment down. I will consult my healthcare before taking castor oil. Mistake number 2, using undiluted castor oil directly. You might wonder, castor oil is a natural remedy with so many benefits. Why would using it directly be a problem? The truth is, while castor oil is highly effective, applying it undiluted can lead to unwanted side effects. Why undiluted castor oil can be harmful. This potent concentrated oil can 1. Irritate the skin. Direct application can cause redness, itchiness, or a burning sensation. 2. Trigger inflammation. Some people may experience swelling or discomfort. 3. Cause allergic reactions. Sensitive individuals might develop rashes or hives. When seeking natural solutions, the last thing you want is to create more problems for your skin or health. Dilution is the key to unlocking its benefits without risking irritation. How to use castor oil. Safely diluting castor oil is simple and effective. 1. Choose a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil. 2. Mix a few drops of castor castor oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil. 3. Apply this gentle blend to your skin or hair for a safer and more effective experience. If you are going to dilute this oil, please comment, mix it to use it. Mistake. Number 1. Neglecting a patch test. One common mistake people make when using castor oil is skipping the patch test. While castor oil offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to ensure that it won't irritate your skin. Without this simple step, you could risk experiencing redness, itching, swelling, or other adverse reactions. Why a patch test is essential. A quick patch test can help you identify potential skin sensitivities, avoid unexpected reactions like irritation or allergic responses. How to perform a patch test. Follow these simple steps to perform a patch test with castor oil. 1. Choose a discrete area. Select a small, less visible area of your skin, such as the inside of your elbow or behind your ear. 2. Dilute the castor oil. Prepare a mixture of castor oil with a carrier oil, coconut or almond oil, to ensure it's not too potent. 3. Apply a small amount. Using a clean cotton swab, apply a small amount of the diluted castor oil to the chosen area. 4. Wait 24-48 hours. Observe the test area for any signs of irritation, redness, itching, or swelling during this time. Interpreting the results. If irritation occurs, avoid using castor oil entirely or consult a healthcare professional for guidance. If no reaction is observed, you're good to go. You can safely add castor oil to your skincare or hair care routine. If you are concerned about castor oil allergy, please comment below. Patch test a day keeps allergy away. Unlock the full benefits. By avoiding overuse and staying mindful of your skin's response, you can safely enjoy castor oil's powerful properties without risking side effects. Ready to make castor oil a part of your wellness routine? Avoid these common mistakes and you'll unlock its full potential. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening health tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.